Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the set UTC milliseconds. So what it does, it set you the millisecond for the you at UTC. Even though if anyone knows that in internationalization the millisecond in any specified place will be equals to that. It's no different, but still we have set UTC milliseconds. So now what I'm gonna do is but in the contrast it's always equal to the set millisecond. Don't get confused. And now what I'm gonna do is inside that just I'm gonna pass not a date. Usually you see that kind of object. I'm gonna using the different syntax for here, like this 24t 12 and then next is 38 dot 29 dot 069z. When I done with that, what I'm gonna do is log it on a console, the event dot get UTC. It's a method which goes hand in hand with the set milliseconds. So MILLISECONDS seconds, and use a function, and it's gonna give you 69 because it's 69 here. And now you want to change this is where you need the set millisecond or set UTC millisecond. They are basically both same, but the programmers at that time thought that maybe some political issues led to they change the UTC milliseconds, like space, which for my lifetime I don't think it's gonna possible. But programmers always think far ahead, so that's why. So what I'm gonna do is event dot set UTC milliseconds, and you need to pass as a parameter which how much you want. I'm gonna pass 420. So there is an uncaught error. What I did now, milliseconds set UTC I didn't put milliseconds, so yeah, 420. So this is what it does. It's no different than the set milliseconds, even though it's said so. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.